FLETS, both are the configuration. FLETS is new, OMSL came now. Okay, so here you can go into the change mode and you can extend your material number. And system is saying that, boss, please go through this note, understand this note before extending the number length. There can be some consequences to your solution. Second is OMSL. OMSL, even though you increase the length at FLETS level, in OMSL, you need to come and you need to mention till what character you need to define. You can define it here the length 10. Even the 18 is allowed in ECC. This is also available in ECC. If you will define material number length 10, system will allow the new numbers only in 10 characters. If you said that FLETS has been allowed and then you said that, but 40 I don't want. I would be limited within 24, I would be able to create my materials. With my nomenclature, it will not go beyond 24. So I want to go for the 24 length. Okay, so here it would be giving you the warning, the material number must not be longer than 18 because FLETS we have not ticked. So once you have ticked FLETS, and then you will be able to come here and maintain the longer material numbers. Okay, don't do the changes in our system, let it be like this. Okay, but you should be knowing this. This is where basically you would be able to create your materials. So this is a normal configuration which is also available in ECC, the OMSL. FLETS is the new tick which you need to maintain.